A sleep disorder, or somnopathy, is a medical disorder of the sleep patterns of a person or animal. Some sleep disorders are serious enough to interfere with normal physical, mental and emotional functioning. Polysomnography is a test commonly ordered for some sleep disorders. Sleep disorder symptoms: difficulty falling asleep at night, or getting back to sleep after waking during the night. Waking up frequently during the night. Your sleep feels light, fragmented, or unrefreshing. You need to take something in order to get to sleep. Sleepiness and low energy during the day. Sleep disorder treatment. In some cases, doctors will prescribe medicines for the treatment of sleep disorders. Medications should be used in combination with good sleep practices and or behavioral treatments. Sleep disorder is a common disease, yet every individual needs unique treatment and care. We encourage people with sleep disorder and their families to learn as much as possible about the latest medical treatment and approaches, as well as healthy lifestyle choices. For more information about sleep disorder and how to treat sleep disorder, just click on the link at description or visit www.mainemd.com. Thank you.